I have allowed LOP if provided you all sit together. Sit quiet. Not together, sorry.
Sir, we have already given a notice under Rule 267. Nearly our 4 young leaders that regarding farmers issue problem and whatever 3 laws are passed in this house, and against that the farmers of Punjab, Haryana, Western UP and throughout
details,
the country, they may not be visible here, but
we are not discussing the issue. You just
no, we are not. Sir, I am requesting you allow under 267 rule to discuss this issue so that thoroughly we can discuss. Let the government take whatever decision.
Okay,
till then, no, it will not be fair without taking notice of these 3. We can't proceed, sir. That's why I request you to suspend all the rules and take it.
Please, wait here. Leader of the House, leader of the opposition, both are important that way. Honorable members, I have received we are not having discussion. He raised the issue and I have to give a response to that. So there is no need to give reply. Please. And don't make these comments like this. आराम से बैठ के कमेंट करते रहे तो मतलब क्या है? वो आराम कैसा होता है? वो आराम है क्या? See, rules 267, I have gone through it. Sri Dipendra Huda, Professor Manoj Kumar Jha, Sri Tiruchit Siva, Sri Rajiv Satav, Sri Pratap Singh Bajwa, they have given notice about the farmers. Just, whatever notice I have received, I am talking about it. About the farmers issue and the need to discuss it and to suspend the other business of the house. And subsequently, Mr. Ashok Siddhartha has given a notice again on the issue of petroleum prices and the price rise. That we have already disposed of yesterday. About these 4 notices also, I would like to tell this house, in this session itself, first part itself, has discussed about farmers issue and farmers agitation, and then we have taken it up. So I am not going to allow it. I have disallowed the notice, and there are Sanjay, you go to your seat. No, you go to your. ये रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा. ये रिकॉर्ड में नहीं जाएगा. So no. You don't want discussion. You have discussion on farmers, Minister of Agriculture and Rural Development, food processing. This is listed for discussion, and almost I think 2 hours or 3 hours is given. You are not interested in discussion. I am allowing discussion on farmers. A part of the BAC meeting, it has been decided that we will be discussing about farmers this thing also. And also there is 3, 4 plus 4 plus 4, almost 12 hours on the appropriation bill and finance bill, where you can raise all these issues. If you are really interested in discussion, please follow the discussion route, and then if you want only disruption, then I leave it to you. Yeah, this is not the way. This is not the way. This is not going to help you. This is not going to help the Rajya Sabha. This is not going to help the country also. मैं सबसे विनती करूंगा, कृपया जाके अपना सीट पे बैठिए. ये कोई पद्धति नहीं है. ये पद्धति नहीं है. कानून को वापस लेना है तो उसका तरीका आपको मालूम है. And then if you have the numbers and you can prevail upon the government, if the numbers are not there, and then you want to disrupt the house, it's not fair. So I once again appeal to all of you, Please go to your seats. You are not doing any justice to the farmers' cause. You are only 18 members. 0 hour matters which are very important have been admitted by me. They are all eager, including members from this side. They want to raise the issues. If you don't want discussion, you want to continue
श्री तवरचंद गहलोत जी, श्री धर्मेंद्र प्रधान जी, श्री संतोष कुमार गंगवार जी,